Hello and welcome to the LeapFILE screencast series. In part 1 of this series, we will introduce the LeapFILE desktop client and show you how to send files with it. LeapFILE's desktop client is a locally installed application that works in conjunction with your LeapFILE service account to enable you to securely and easily send large files from your desktop without the need to open a web browser. With the desktop client, you can send files of any size. You don't need to worry about the email attachment limitations typically imposed by email clients or the standard 2 GB in browser-based file transfer services. You can send files directly from where you work, such as MS Office, or within email clients like Outlook, GroupWise, or Thunderbird, or by right-clicking the files to send them directly from File Explorer. You can send files quickly and reliably with the accelerated uploading feature that includes the ability to pause, resume, and even recover file transfers. Let's say you have to send some large files, like these, to a client or partner. To send these files immediately using LeapFILE's desktop client, you will open the desktop client and click New Transfer. I'm sure this interface looks familiar to you. It's the same as using any email application. Just enter the email addresses, subject line, and any message you want to include, as we have done for you here. Note that you can separate multiple recipient addresses with semicolons or commas. Then you can do one of these things. You can click Attach File and navigate to and select the files individually. You can drag and drop files from File Explorer, or you can upload multiple files and folders at once. We'll select an entire folder to send with this demonstration. Click Send and your files are on their way. File sets are automatically zipped before sending. During the file transfer, you have some options. You can pause your transfer, for example, if you notice that you have to go to a meeting, and you can resume your transfer if your connection is interrupted or lost. Transfers sent using the desktop client are located in your transfers list and are sent with security, tracking, and reporting features, all available to you with your LeapFILE service account, including notifications to you as to when the transfer is sent, when the recipient got the message, and when they downloaded your files. Your client can then open their email account and see the message that indicates files are ready to download. Now we'll see what your recipients see when they open their email. The URL contained in the message is a unique session ID for this particular receiver. Each recipient will get a different link and be tracked individually. The recipient will open their message and click the URL to see the file transfer site. An important feature to consider is your ability to custom brand this file transfer site with your company's logo or even match your company's website color scheme. The recipient will then verify their email address for security purposes and begin the download. Stay tuned for future parts of this screencast product overview series on LeapFILE's desktop client.